Hello, Mr. Kugla. So this is my video for Algebra Basics. So what we learned in this video, in this unit, is radicals, adding and subtracting and multiplying polynomials, exponentials, factoring and quadratics, greatest common factor, and how to take it out and how to factor by that, the difference in sums of cubes and other methods of factoring polynomials where you multiply the a and c, and once you multiply them you see which ones add up to your middle term, and then that's how you do that. And then another thing we learned is exponentials and how we do it, and the 3 must checks for this chapter. And at any time that you're doing these 3 problems, you need to check them. So the 3 must checks is when you have a denominator and the denominator for x cannot equal 0. So that is a must check. Make sure your answer is correct. Your second must check is when you square both sides, because you can get an invisible root and a root that doesn't exist when you square both sides, because you take plus and minus. And your third must check is when you have absolute value equal to x stuff, and once you have that, you need to check to make sure that it's actually your solution, because you can get extraneous solutions. Same when you are squaring both sides. And also inequalities is when you take the inequality and you set it equal to 0, and you solve it, and then you always have to check your answers to make sure everything is right. See you next time.